So if else statement is a phenomenon present in Python that allows you to run conditional statements. So the task is given an integer n, perform the following conditional action. If n is odd, print weird. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. And if n is even and greater than 20, print not weird. So this is how I would solve it. Um, it may be different from how you'd solve it, but let me know in the comment section how you'd solve it. Well, not to tamper with the boilerplate, so I would be writing my code from init here. So now, as you can see in the sample test, they ran in as if you didn't understand the question, what the task was that when a number n is passed through a series of conditional statements, the number 3, based on the conditional actions here, is expected to print weird and the code printed weird. And the second one, 24, was to be not weird because 24 is greater than and is even and greater than 20. And that's what happens. So I submit my code.